Both gold and silver traded bearish throughout the day. We have seen gold is struggling to stay above 2660 while silver is stayed in the zone 21 3160 3180. We have seen it getting a greater resistance, and precisely as predicted and as discussed in our first update, we have seen a good drop here. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect today with the US session? We have also Chairman Powell's speech coming in that will also add much to the volatility here in gold and silver prices, and how to profit we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update. The subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch gold on the early charts. You can see this was the bull run, and now it is trading bearish here, delivering lower highs and lower lows here, right, trying to trade in this channel. Now we have seen a good drop so far, and now the next selling entry is only below 2632, where we can expect it to keep moving towards 26 24 26, which is going to be a greater support. Yes, once it breaches this you can say channel here, it is going to deliver a stronger move here. I think there should be a greater support available till 2632 here for gold. Also, if you look at the moving averages, these have now crossed over and these are trading with divergence and staying bearish. And if you look at the early chart, see, so far here till here it was lower highs, higher lows, zone of consolidation, and then once it gave a breakout, it has delivered a stronger move here. Now 2650 on the upside is going to remain a greater resistance, 2650, 2654, and then 2660. Very strong resistance available till then. The stock IC has come to oversold levels. MACD trading bearish here. RSI has also come towards the bottom. If you look at the 2 hour chart, see similar observation. See what has happened: drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now drop here, and it is trying to retrace here. As long as it stays within this channel, we should be cautious here. See, for gold to completely reverse and confirm a major drop here, it has to break below 26 24 and then 26 14 15 levels. If these two levels are taken, consider that 2600 is next, and then 2590 2580 is a must here. Right now also, if you look at, see, the formation here is simple. It is consolidated here and now given a breakout. Possibility exists that it may put some pressure on the bands to expand with this candle is staying outside Bollinger Band. So possibility exists that there could be slight bearishness. However, I will say only selling entry now is below 2632. Stochastic has come towards bottom. MACD trading divergent and bearish. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to three on the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation here. Drop, retracement, drop, and trying to trade in a zone. It has to just come out of the zone. On the upside, very important for it to stay above 26 60 66. That will be a confirmation of a breakout on the upside, while on the downside we have already seen the greater support zones here. Moving averages after a while now has started to converge, though we have not seen the moving averages crossing over here as of now, but yes, the conversion here is itself a sign of slight bearishness. The stochastic has come to oversold zone. The MACD is trading divergent. The MACD is trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped here as well. Coming to 4. Likewise, on the 4 hour chart, see now it is trading below the 20 period moving average. This is a bearish sign itself. And see, series of bearish candles, then a retracement, consolidation, and first bigger breakout candle has appeared. I expect that there has to be a series of candles here, which means more bearishness might prevail, and thus only bullishness in gold is to be considered if it breaks beyond 2660 and 2660 zone. As long as it stays below this, we should not be treating this as bullish here. Very clear. And yes, there could be another follow-up candle which can take the prices further down. Be watchful of this. If you look at the stock IC, this has dropped. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI has dropped sharp as well. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, see one thing: first bearish candle, then a step here, and then this is going to be with a bigger body than the preceding one. That is very clear. Now already it has delivered lower lows here, and once it breaches this zone at 26 30 32, we can expect more bearishness here. Now why it is dropping? See, too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average calls for it to converge. Look at historically what has happened here. See, whenever we have seen such divergence, prices converge here this time again, and this time again, the greater the rise, the greater the convergence. Next thing is, if you look at the movement for the last few weeks, you can find out gold is just respecting this channel, so it can try to come towards the bottom of the channel, which is right now at 2600 and lower levels. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD, which was trading bullish, now has tried to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is just trying to converge, and there is a possibility that we may see it crossing over as well. And thus, for this week, gold might try to trade slightly bearish. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. This is another phenomena which calls for it to continue here on the downside for a little while from here. Thus, before I give you the levels here, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads on offer. Now, see, buying entry in gold is a little far above. You can buy here at 2646, but this is going to be riskier. When I say, see, it is going to get greater resistance at around 2650 52 first, and then around 2655 56 second. Once it breaches this, then 2660 will appear, and then 2666 will appear. So there are four resistances which it needs to break, and if it breaks this resistances, just stay bullish. There is no looking back again, and we can look forward to, if it breaches this 2666, we can look forward to 2674 76, and beyond that it will stay bullish. But the chances of such move appears to be very less today. It is going to stay bearish. The possibility is there that if you see it back at 2650 55, I think you can take a selling entry as well. On the downside, and now I will recommend a selling entry. Ideal, a safer selling entry is below 2632, where you can expect it to keep moving towards 2624 26 first target zone, 2614 16 the next target zone. Intermediate support will also be seen at around 2620, but I will expect it to move towards 2614 16, and below that it can keep moving towards 2600. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. What we had seen for gold is applicable for silver here. It is moving averages have crossed over, and look at the movement here on the hourly charts. Drop, retracement, drop again. Can it retrace? That is what you have to watch out. See, right now it is trading in this bearish channel here, delivering lower lows. Very important for it to stay below $31 levels and 3080 levels. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction here. Possibility exists that we may see, in fact, silver moving towards 3050 3070 zone, which is going to remain the greater support zone. Now see, the rise actually started from this zone at 29 3080 and 31, and the prices are just trying to erase the gains from this candle. So a possibility exists that it can keep moving towards this zone before bouncing back. Now the current candle or the subsequent candle is going to be of prime importance. See, what has happened, lower highs, higher lows were seen, and then this breakout has appeared. Now post breakout, this is the first candle, so I expect that there has to be continuation of candles, red candles here. So be watchful of the bulls here. Only buying entry is now above 3160. That appears to be a safer entry. Stock, I stick to the oversold. MACD trading bearish, RSI at bottom. Coming to the two, look at the 2 hour charts here. Low lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Moving averages are on the verge of a crossover for sell. Again, a bearish sign it is. Second, increasing body size. Look at the last candle. Last candle is a Mariboju candle. Uh, you can say flat top and a flat bottom, and the current candle could be of consolidation. Possibly the follow-up candle is again going to bring more bearishness. That is what you can expect here. Now on the upside, till 3160 3180 zone is not taken today, you should not be treating silver as bullish. This is very clear. As long as it stays below this, I think every rise is an opportunity of sell as well. Stock, I stick to the bottom. The MACD trading with divergence in bearish, and the RSI is already at bottom. If you look at the 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour chart, see, it is started on a bearish note. The current candle, it could try to retrace lower highs, means it has the potential to keep moving towards 3150 3160 zone, but I think there are going to remain greater resistances here on the upside. Also, what has happened, see, the rise started from here, this single candle. Slowly and gradually prices have erased all the gains from this candle, and now this is going to be the prime support zone. So ideally, we have to wait for it to break below 31 in order to sell more. But again, if it, even if it breaks below 31, we will see it getting very strong support at around 3070 3080 zone, and then 3040 3050. These are the two critical levels it needs to break in order to trade bearish. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold zone. The MACD trading bearish, the RSI is at bottom, and on the 4 hour charts, the observation is more or less. On the 4 hour charts, similar is the observation here. the rise, and then this retracement. And if you look at the movement here, yes, it is respecting this channel. It has to come out of this channel, and the current candle could be one of the breakout candle here, which means a drop below 31 is something you should watch out for. If you look at the stochastic, this has hit the bottom. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is already at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, see the daily charts here at this point itself, I have mentioned, see, this is the actual reversal sign, and this is just a pullback we had seen with a smaller body, so it could follow with a series of red candles, and that is what has happened so far. See, increasing body size you have seen, lower lows we have seen. Now, only thing is it has to come towards this zone, that is 20 period moving average and median of Bollinger Bands, sitting at around 3080, 3050 zone. So I expect sooner or later prices might try to come towards this zone before, even if it is bullish, even if it has to bounce back, this can hit this zone. Next is higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. So now 31, 3080 is going to be a prime stronger support zone for silver. Stochastic dropping sharp, MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell, RSI dropping sharp. Looking buying entry in silver is above 3150 level. When you see the lower price above 3150, you can initiate a buying entry, but this is riskier. As long as 3180 is not taken, there are greater resistances available for silver here on the upside, and thus till 3180 you have to just trade with the stop loss at your entry. While now the safer selling entry is only below 31, where you can expect 3080, 3070 zone, greater support available here, and then 3040, 3050. Only and only if these two levels are taken, these two zones are taken, then you can say silver is going to crash towards 30 or in fact lower levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship badge and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss to watch that. Thank you.